Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to use MetaBox and Bricks to display the latest posts in the homepage. Here is my example. Each restaurant is a post. Name and image of the restaurant are the title and featured images of the post. Other information such as restaurant's address, voucher and logo will be saved in the different custom fields. So we need custom fields to fill in the information. Here are some tools we need for this practice. First, we need MetaBox to create custom post types and custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org. We'll need some extensions of MetaBox to have advanced features. You can download them individually or use MetaBox AIO instead. We need MB custom post type and custom taxonomies to create custom post types for restaurants. And MetaBox Builder to have an UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. Lastly, you need Bricks Builder. Make sure you update to the latest version to have integration with MetaBox. Let's start. Go to MetaBox to create a new custom post type. Then, in the admin dashboard, you will see a restaurant menu here. Now, create custom fields for your post type. Here are the fields that I created for the restaurants. They have no special settings, so just create them. After creating all the fields, move to Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select Restaurant to apply these fields to this post type. Publish and you will see all the fields you created when creating a new post in Restaurant. Fill in the information and set the featured image and title for the post as usual. Here are some restaurants that I add information as examples. Now, let's edit the homepage with Bricks. I will display the latest product section here. So, add a new section element. Then you will see a new container element inside. Now, add a heading and name it. Bricks don't support creating classes for styling. For that reason I choose HTML class to style the elements. This is also a benefit for SEO. To get the list of restaurants, add a posts element. These are the blog posts displayed as default. However, we need the post in the restaurant post type instead of blog posts. So move to the query section in the setting of the posts element to change the post type. You also can change the order of posts here. Since we're going to display the latest posts first then the oldest ones, set order posts by published date and then choose the descending option. In the event that you want to display the oldest posts first, choose the ascending option. If you want to change the layout, move to this section. There are some interesting options from Bricks. Just choose one. Next, go to the image section to set changes for the feature image. I keep the default settings and change the size only. Now let's display more information about the restaurants. As the information here is only shown with pictures and description. But I want to show all the information from custom field I created. Move to the Fields section. I remove the excerpt as I don't want it to appear. To add information from custom fields, add fields here. Then search the name for the corresponding fields by the dynamic button. I also add the HTML tag for the element for styling later. Remember that when you select to get data from the logo field, it will be text as a default. For that reason, to display images, add this attribute like I am doing. You will see all the data I've got and displayed. Remember to save the changes. Look at our results here. All the information is ready to display. Now let's style them a little bit. Drag and reorder the position of the custom field as you want. Then, choose the elements that you want to style. Here, I just do for example. In the event you want to have different styles, do it on your own. To have advanced styling, go to the Style section of the Posts element to add CSS class. Then, go to the Container element to add some CSS code. You can also get this code in the GitHub link I added in this video description. When you return to the page, all of the information is more clearly shown. This is the end of today's tutorial. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials in the future. Bye.